On our way to Monsour Paul for our, like, I don't know, 8-course dinner. I don't know how many courses there are.
It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be awesome. You have to do if you're staying at the boardwalk or any of the Epcot adjacent hotels is book a fancy dinner. There's so many amazing dining opportunities, not only in Epcot and World Showcase, but also in the surrounding hotels. We're actually going to go to Monsour Paul tonight, which is like the creme de la creme, so that's going to be super fun. If you're looking for a great steakhouse, Shula's, which is at the Swan and Dolphin, or any of the amazing dining that you have at World Showcase. Couple of things to know if you're headed to Monsour Paul. It is a 5-course gastronomic meal of the French. It takes about 2.5 to 3 hours for this experience, and your children would need to be 10 years or older to participate in this dining experience. And one more important thing you want to know, the price tag's pretty hefty. It's $195 per person plus tax and gratuity. That will include a few drinks as you go through the meal, which is very helpful with that final price tag. We started with our Mouge Bouge course, moved on to our first set of drinks, of course non-alcoholic if they're underage, then on to the bread course, which was fresh baked bread and was absolutely delicious. Then on to the appetizer course, which Bella and I both did the lobster salad, which was delicious. Then my favorite course of the entire experience, the fish course. Check out this presentation.
Some roast asparagus with some lemon zest on the top. For the crunch side, some almonds, just grilled. And for the seasoning, with some salt, pepper, and chips. That's the other spot.
That's beautiful.
And the best parts of the French meal, the sauce. It's a chorizo sauce. It's like a béarnaise with some tomatoes, cheese, and some herbs.
Okay. That looks delicious.
On the top there is some fresh flour, some cauliflower.
That is really good, actually. Very good. That's a winner. Okay, that's good. Get the fish thing, y'all.
I have the scallops. I'm gonna take a bite now.
Chef's kiss.
But comparing these, I think I like the fish better.
Yeah, it's good.
But these are good if you like scallops.
Okay, guys, the challenge is, how do you think they got the pear in the bottle?
You know what? I bet this pear isn't as big as it looks.
Maybe. Because that's an awful tiny opening. It grows inside the bottle.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So
That's crazy.
So now it's
Amazing.
time to taste.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, ice cream and the pear alcohol. Coming in for the palate cleanser. Ooh. That is strong. Ooh. Oh, burn the hair off your chest. Thank you. That looks delicious. Thank you.
That's one of my favorite parts. So here is the filet de bœuf, medium well for you, mademoiselle, and medium for you.
Okay, here we go. Did you not try it yet? It's so good. Chef's kiss.
Just do soup. I'm putting it with the rind, like the Frenchies do.
Frenchies do.
A little bit of
Fig jam on there. Alright guys, so good, but I'm so full. We're on the cheese course now, and I cannot eat any of it. I'm gonna have them wrap it up. I had to wrap up half my steak because I'm super full. Everything has been super delicious though, so hopefully it's as delicious for breakfast tomorrow. We'll see. I just want to save room for my dessert, which is coming up next, so keep watching. Thank you. That's beautiful. I like the in-sync pour. It's pretty impressive. Ooh, there it goes. Thank you. Delish. So good. We gave Monsour Paul the perfect 5 out of 5 pineapple ranking. Let us know in comments if you would try this experience. Okay, and our little treat to take home. So delicious. Guys, if you're headed to Disney anytime soon, make sure you pick up our packing list. I'll link it down below. It's a totally free resource, and it'll help you remember all those little things that you want to have on your next Disney vacation. And reach out to us at traveltripsy.com. We'd love to help you with your next Disney vacation. Hey guys, Cindy Williams here. If you like that last video, make sure you check out all of the other content on our channel. And if you want to follow along and travel with me around the world and see how I run my amazing travel brands and get some great tips on how to grow your own, make sure you check out that other content. I'm going to drop a couple videos here. Click those links. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.